In Toon Boom Storyboard Pro, you can work around with something called a vector layer. So layers are all arranged out on this section right here on the right. And if you want to work around with a vector layer, then you can create a vector layer by clicking on this button over here. So it says add vector layer. So I'm just going to click here. So now on the left side, you can see the brush right here. And over here on the right side, you can go around onto the tool properties to access out different brush settings. So I'm just going to go around, increase the size of the brush. And if I were to draw around, then this is what you have. So the thing with the vector layer is that no matter how much you zoom in, you don't see any pixelations. So over here, you can see that there's some solid brushes right here. So if I were to zoom in, there is no pixelations whatsoever. But if you were to take out, let's say, for example, the textured brushes right here, then they do pixelate, but they are still vector layers right here, because when you zoom in, you do see that textured pixelation is there, but the brush itself is in vector format. So if you were to select it, you can see that this is in a vector format right here. And you can see that no matter how much you change this in size and so forth, no pixelation actually happens right here. You can resize this out and everything becomes smooth just like this. So you can work around with this right here on the brushes right here and work around this with in detail inside a vector layer, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with vector layer inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.